Ditch the data entry nightmare and say hello to Streamlined Contact Management. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to import contacts into Follow-Up Boss using a CSV file, saving you time and boosting your lead management efficiency. First, let's make sure your CSV file is properly formatted. Each column should represent a specific field, like name, email, phone number, and address. Ensure the first row contains clear and descriptive headers for each column. Now, log into your Follow-Up Boss account. Look for the admin section, typically found in the top right corner of your screen. Click on it to access the administrative settings. Within the admin section, locate and select the import option. This will take you to the contact import page. On the import page, you'll see a button to upload CSV. Click this button and select your properly formatted CSV file from your computer. Follow-Up Boss will now ask you to map the columns in your CSV file to the corresponding fields. In Follow-Up Boss, use the drop-down menus to match each column header from your CSV to the correct field. For example, match your email address column to the email field in Follow-Up Boss. Once you've mapped all your columns, carefully review the mappings to ensure accuracy. Then, click the Start Import button to begin the import process. Follow-Up Boss will then process your CSV file and import your contacts. The time this takes will depend on the size of your file. You'll receive a notification once the import is complete, and that's it. You've successfully imported your contacts into Follow-Up Boss using a CSV file. Now you can spend less time on manual data entry and more time connecting with your leads.